the same guy. And he came here to rent the vehicle, but this guy said allegedly didn't give him a car because he had seen his photo on media that he was wanted for something. So he kept him here and he was interrogating, asking him why, what happened. And he said he confessed to him of what he did in Joburg. And then he wanted to commit suicide and he didn't want to hand himself to the police. And so he spent the whole day with him. What was funny for us, because he said he even locked him up in the house and he went to go and buy food nearby, and he came back and he fed him. The whole day they were together until the evening, until the team eventually arrived here.
You spoke of a confession as well. Apologies.
Well, we are hearing from this guy that he told him what he did in Johannesburg. So it is this guy that's going to give a statement to confirm that, because he didn't talk to the police about it. It's this guy that is telling us what he was telling him the whole day. As he was allegedly, this guy is one of those gospel coordinators. So he was trying to counsel him, praying and the whole thing, trying to encourage him to hand himself over. So this is what this guy tells us. Obviously, his statement will prove that.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. The main suspect, Kalini, Olorato Mongane, has been found. Tole mapoisa to one of the apartments ayalapana emanzimdo taftafi lapana apartment. Awafike wathi ufuna akurenta imoto. Apparently he always used to rent cars from that guy luhlala lapha emanzimtoti shows mawenda mgilingwane yakhe kurentwa imoto ke. So this guy was there kuthi ayorenta imoto to the guy. So that means he wanted to flee. So because uGuy besikabone ma pictures akhe from social media and from the internet, wathi no, I'm not gonna give you a car. Ahlala lana ungitshele ukuthi kwende njani, because at that time lo guy uyasho ukuthi he was someone lo bekesekathi yena ayafuna ukutibulala nani, washo ukuthi no, you need to come down, confess to me ukuthi wena uwendeni, uthi wahlala phansi wa confess washo ukuthi wendeni eJohannesburg. That's when the guy uthi ungaphuma uyomthengela kudla, wamnika kudla, wamlokha in one of his rooms, wafonela amaphoyisa. That's when amaphoyisa came. But mabafika kena wabese kuba khona i-shoot out. Showed the guy had a gun, obviously. Kwaba ne-shoot out leba khona yakhe nemaphoyisa, luka dubulana ke nemaphoyisa, bamdubula amaphoyisa kena bamsusa. Khahlela nje libhakede anjalo uphilane. So sukusele two guys. Because the two guys labafunwa kumanje Tufezile and Ubongane, but Uphilane, it's the main guy, meaning ukuthi this is the guy that Olorato was going out on a date with, ne? This is the guy that Olorato was going out on a date with. Sebamsusile. This is after kube khona a shootout between him and maphoyisa. So kuyangixaka ukuthi why besekafuna commit suicide. Like ungafika when them bugilwane lobungaka ubulala umntwana ebantu and just think ukuthi when you'll get away with it. Like really, masofuna commit suicide, ufuna commit suicide because uyabona ukuthi no, ayikushubile. Oh, people are still continuing ukuthi but bafuna justice for Olorato. They are saying ukuthi bafuna the other two that are already on the run, that are missing, Ufezile and the guy Ubongane. So siyasho nje ukuthi justice for Olorato. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.